So it's your big day in court. What to expect when you get there? Um, well, hopefully your attorney has prepared you for court, gone over the elements that they need to prove, and gone over at least an overview of what they expect you to testify to and what they expect the opposing party to ask you about in court. But let's talk about what happens. Normally you arrive 15 to 20 minutes before your court hearing. You wait out in the hallway until the court calls your case. Then you go into the courtroom. Many situations, the courtroom is packed with other cases or people waiting for their turn in court. But in your particular situation, we're going to pretend like it's just you and the judge and possibly the jury if you get a jury trial. So your attorney, hopefully it's us, we get to begin with an opening statement telling your story about what happened to you and the wrongdoing that had occurred. And then the opposing party will get to do the same thing. Next, we'll get to call our first witness and begin to tell our story in more detail. Specifically, we'll be going over the ins and outs of what happened. Now comes the cross-examination. This is often the most dreaded portion because they feel the other attorney is going to rip them apart. What we'll do is we'll do a lot of preparation so that you feel comfortable talking to the attorney, and we'll practice with you making sure that you listen to the questions before you answer. Here at Littlejohn Law, we like to practice how we play. So we'll have a trial run and it will get intense, but it won't be anything in comparison to the actual situation. We hope to make our practice run worse than the actual experience in trial. From there, the defense or opposing party will get to present their evidence in their case. And then the parties will get to give what's called their closing statements or summation of the story and the evidence that was presented. Now, in the rare situation, the judge will decide the case right then and there. Normally, the court will take it under advisement, and once the judge takes it under advisement, it may take several weeks to several months for the court to render a decision. Hope you found this video helpful.